Exercising is very promising. Very, you have to be very gifted. It's a lot of things you could do and you don't have to do. Things you can add, different ways of doing whatever you want. But this is a good exercise. Cause I like to think, how would a coyote, how would a wolf, how would a dingo, how would African wild dogs do doing a hunt, chasing the hunt, catching the hunt. So I'm a real nature freak. I love all that nature wildlife junk. Raised up on. Pepper. So guess what? How every time start before the hunt. It always start with playing. The puppies playing with the adults. It's the prospects playing, the olders before the males get kicked out the pack. They playing, everybody playing. So to me, how can I relate that into what I do as exercising my dog? It's simple. Flirt pole. It's the same exact thing. It's playing. Flirt poling. So the first thing you ought to do with a dog doing working them should get a flirt pole out. They usually do this around 30 minutes or so. So that should be the time that you flirt pole. After that, guess what they all do? They start walking. Okay? The pups put up. Baby, youngin' pup that's under 6 months shouldn't never work over 30 minutes. It stunt their development, what I think. And so there's no need to work a pup under 6 months, because you don't even know if it gonna want to hunt once it get older. So why waste the time, right? So back to what I was saying, they start walking, right? Guess what they walk? 30 minutes to an hour. So basically, they emptying their stool right then. So walk your dog after you. Flirt pole your dog, right? To get them loosen up, stool, get they stomach empty so they can run harder without a bad effect. Because anybody knows if you drink too much, or if you eat too much or got a full stomach and you run real hard, you're gonna cramp up or throw up. And that's just a given. People should know that from their own experiences. If you're working a dog anyway, you should know some form of how to work out. Because if you don't, most likely you'll push your dog more than what you would push yourself. Next thing up, what the dogs always do, they locate the prey. Start getting here and there, and they spotting and they plotting, and they gonna surround them, right? That's the plan. So some laying down, some crawling, some sneaking up, and some burst out with speed at them. Get the attention of the whole, everything. So now they chase. So, and that's chasing prey, and when like wolves see an intruder, they chase them off. And how do they do that? This how. Somebody bursts out, right? He started lagging back. Somebody behind him who was in cruise control bursts out. While the whole time this other wolf or these prey animals running full speed. But then the next person, so they use teamwork to burst out at long periods of time, then slow down. So when you working your animal, you do not want to work him at a full pace the whole exact time. So after they walk, did they stool, chilled out, they walking and stuff, then the race comes. So you got 30 minutes of playtime. That's the flirt pole. 30 minutes of walking time, or to an hour. That's walking. Then now we got the chase, and the chase is up to 30 minutes to an hour of running time, but being paced out in a way that they cool themselves down in the moments of heat. And it's always at dusk to dawn. You see what I'm saying? It's not hunt never through the day. You know what I'm saying? So anything through the day should be with flirt poling. You know what I'm saying? Something you can do 15 to 30 minutes. Walking, something you could do 15 to 30 minutes. And get back. Let them cool off. Or something simple, something that's not stressful. But when it start cooling off, or you got a shade spot where there's a lot of shade, you start working then. But them just my views and how you should work your animal. So, as I was saying, doing the chase, what that remind you of? The treadmill, right? So on the mill, I use email. As y'all see, if y'all watching the video, you wanna get them going, right? Not long, cause they don't burst out. You know what I'm saying? They could, but it's stressful because they don't want to run that fast for that long. So the goal is to get them up to 10 minutes and breaking them down for 10 minutes. But you want to start off running them at a real high pace for 1 minute, then cool down and let them do they cool down pace for 10 minutes. You do that for a while. Make sure they can do at least an hour of that. Then you move up to 2 minutes fast pace, and you slow down. Then once you get to 5 minutes fast pace and 10 minutes cool down, you at a good spot right there. That's all you should need until it's time to go in the woods. You don't need no more than that, because you can accomplish pretty much your goals. Excuse me. But after that, you'll have a beautiful, beautiful dog. Beautiful. You probably can take them to any show and do your thing. Now I gave y'all the layout of maybe a hour and a half to then after they catch the prey, right? What they do? Walk back. So you always want to walk your dog out after high intensity workout. So I gave y'all pretty much an hour to a 3-hour workout, no matter what stage you on and where you started from. You want to start from the bottom and climb up. So start at 10 minutes of each at first. You want to build. You don't want to stress them out, because even though it's fun at one point in time with them, they get stressful. Then you don't want them to start to hate to work. You want them to love to work. You don't want to force them to work. You want them to want to work. Be excited about working. Keeping that excitement, keeping a toy, at the ends of them or something, make them appreciative, teaching them, this is a big, teaching them what good boy mean will save you through a lot of shit. Excuse my language. But saying good boy will get you over a lot of humps, because once they understand that relate to treat, every time they hear it do something to their brain. It's like they getting the best meal in the world. Like they eating a T-bone steak. So after the good work, you want to walk them out. Always. Don't overstress your dogs. Don't make it not fun for them. And you will get great results, because it's stories that you can go back and research and read, that a lot of times people overwork their animals, and especially when they think they got a good one, and this hog might be a badass hog and they need to do more. But the first time they might have just took the dog off the chain to go catch the hog, and the dog did good. The dog was good on the chase. The dog was everything that they wanted. So when they go around to next round, now they working the dog, and they works the dog too hard. So this is what happened. They not excited. They didn't want to work hard as you push them to work. Then when they come back around, they might have been straight off the chain for an hour. You know what I'm saying? And catch the hog. This time, it seemed like it wasn't even as good a hog, but they stopped in 30 minutes because they done gave you everything before they got in the woods. You have to rest these animals. These animals need their rest because they normally sleep. The dog species normally is a lazy animal throughout the day. Very lazy. Kick back, chill mode. Early in the morning they'll do something. Late in the evening they'll do something. But less in the morning, they more go to sleep with their belly full than unless you're a loner dog. But pack animals, which our animals come from, is a nighttime hunter. And we're not very late because the big cat's out at that time. But while it was still bright out, they can see, they can get back, get in their barrels, and chill with the family. So I hope this was educational to some of y'all, and I hope it give y'all a outlook of how I think, and probably how some of the greatest thought. Because we can only learn how to exercise ourselves. You have to watch the species the way they exercise to learn how to condition as good as theirs. Because wild animals, speed to ratio is very hard to attain. And that's the ultimate goal. Y'all be easy, man. Take care. I'm out. Big Kennels. King Pepper.